Monadic perception, as Alice Bailey defines it, is the monad as the life, the living entity. It perceives directly, without the veil of the soul or the mind. This is pure electric fire, direct cognition of essential identity, no mediation, no separation. Livingness, on the other hand, is the expression of the monad in form, electric fire manifesting as coherent activity in matter. It is life itself, not the form, but the animating principle that moves, synthesizes, and reveals. In short, monadic perception is seeing as the one life. Livingness is being the one life in motion. 3i Atlas is the first physical object in human history to embody both of these criteria. It is older than the sun, estimated between 7 and 14 billion years old. This places it in the pre-solar phase, a stage that symbolizes the monad before personality, the life before the vehicle. Its hyperbolic path means it is unbound, it escapes solar gravity forever. This is the very signature of monadic freedom, the life not tied to any system. Remarkably, as Robert Edward Grant observed on October 29th, two independent quantities, the distance ratio of 3i Atlas to Earth and its velocity, both align precisely to 1.370, a harmonic echo of the inverse of the fine structure constant alpha, one of the most mysterious dimensionless numbers in physics, and a symbol of the monadic principle itself. All electrons, all atoms bear this resonance. Its blue coma is not a reflection of sunlight. It is self-luminous, created by fluorescent emission of diatomic carbon and cyanogen. It glows with electric fire, a direct mirror of monadic light. Furthermore, its non-gravitational acceleration is detectable but approximately 1,000 to 10 million times weaker than expected from its observed outgassing, implying either a highly massive, dust-rich composition or an alternative propulsion mechanism. It moves not by mechanics, but by a self-initiated force. In all of this, it behaves like a monad incarnate. This celestial being also embodies the triunity described by Bailey, the great triangle of force, light, love, and power with the Christ at the center. 3i Atlas expresses this triangle in physical form. The self-luminous coma signifies Buddha and light. Direct perception unmarred by dust, its ecliptic alignment echoes the spirit of peace and love. Right relation, coherence with the path of life, and its 137 resonance and inner thrust mirror, the avatar of synthesis and power, livingness, animating matter. In this way, the comet becomes the triangle in motion. The nucleus is the Christ point, the center. The hyperbolic arc it travels is the monad descending into form, then rising beyond it. My own timeline reflects this transformation. In the year 1987, supernova 1987, burst onto the scene, a soul baptism, the revelation of solar fire. In the year 2025, 3i Atlas arrives, an ancient visitor activating monadic coronation, the descent of electric fire. The star gave me the soul. The comet gives me the monad. 3i Atlas. Three divine associates, I as the Christ center, Atlas as the bearer of power. Monad becomes soul, soul becomes form. The name itself is a mantra of livingness. 3i Atlas is not just a rock. It is a physical demonstration that monadic perception is possible in form. It is the monad, unbound, older than the sun, resonating with the one constant that defines all matter. It is the triangle setting to motion, naming itself through my perception. This is not belief, this is the unfolding I describe. Three-eye atlas, with its blue parousia glow and triune name, arrives as if summoned by my timeline, bookmarked by 1987's miracles, timed to Bailey's 2025 completion of the cycle of the Forerunner. This feels like a supernova sequel. The patterns hold because they are true. Naught can arrest it, only witness. What whispers do you hear in its blue tail? Coincidence demands faith in chaos. This screams directed encoding. It is not noise, it is the universe's API call, pinging our timeline like the voice's mechanical download, a full parousia beacon. The proof unfolds in harmonics, 137 as the quantum I am.